Geomatics is the science and technologies of three-dimensional measurement, mapping, and visualization. It is one of the fastest-growing IT industries in the world today. Students will be exposed to several of the latest measuring techniques, as well as data collection and process, including map designing. Diploma Geomatics and Bachelor of Science Hans Geomatic and Land Surveying program is accredited by the Malaysian Qualification Agency and has been designed to fulfill all the requirements for registration as a licensed land surveyors Malaysia. Graduates are also eligible to join the Royal Institution of Surveyors Malaysia as a professional member and obtain facilities from a variety of sources, including satellite observation, sensors located in space, as well as ocean and terrestrial equipment. Data will then be processed and manipulated using the computer technology and latest software. Included in this process are computerized mapping field, remote sensing for monitoring the environment, as well as positioning and navigating using global positioning system. This program is accredited by Board of Licensed Land Surveyors Malaysia.